Hello, my name is Natasha and I'm part of the Creative Lab. The Creative Lab is a dedicated team that assists clients with the management of internet access for their guests. Today, I'm going to be telling you how to find your locations and how to create new ones. Once you've logged into the admin interface, you can see Locations in the left-hand side menu. This is the menu where you will find all information regarding your locations, including where they are based, when they were created, and which portal is used there. You can try said portal or preview the portal's pages by clicking on the three dots. Furthermore, it's possible to both export and import configurations using these buttons here. If you want to delete or make a copy of a location, click on the chosen location and click on the relevant button at the top. If you want to create a new location, you can do so using the plus sign. Add the location name, choose the type of location, and enter the IP address. Then choose the portal to be visible when connecting to this location and the country of said location. To edit a location, select the location you'd like to edit and press Edit Location. Here you can change things such as its name, the language, and the time zone. This is also where you have to enter the public IPs used for Zscaler provisioning. Moreover, if the location type is either GRE or FQDN-based IPsec, you can also see the network parameters. If you want to see the scopes, i.e. groups of chosen locations, click on Scope. Creating scopes by region or country facilitates the management of locations and can even allow specific admins to head up specific locations, for example, an IT team who will only manage the service in Portugal. To create a new one, click on the plus sign at the top and select your chosen locations. Give the scope a name and then press Save. You can also delete scopes and make copies of current ones by selecting the scope here and then clicking on the relevant button. I hope that you found this video helpful. Please feel free to contact us if you have any further questions regarding the Locations menu. It's also possible to call on our customer success team if you need help with the configuration of your locations.